Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of over 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and the parts of Brunei and New Guinea. Indonesia is centrally located along ancient trading routes between the Far East, South Asia, and the Middle East, resulting in many cultural practices being strongly influenced by the multi-cap of religions, including Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, and Islam, and all the other major trading cities. Indonesia is located in what is called the Pacific Rim of the Fire, which is one of the most active volcanic areas in the world. The country alone has 150 volcanoes. It also boasts some of the most gorgeous sunsets in the world, with one of the best being seen from Mount overlooking the famous Mount Bruno volcano. And here are the top places to visit in Indonesia. Number 1. Bali. Bali is an Indonesian island known for its forested volcanic mountains, iconic red paddies, beaches, and coral reefs. The island is home to religious sites such as Cliffside Uluwatu Temple. To the south, the beachside city of Kuta has lively parks, while Seminyak Sanur and Sanadua are popular resort towns. The island is also known for its yoga and meditation retreats. Bali is a mesmerizing Indonesian island which is world famous for its beautiful places, rich culture, history, arts and crafts, gorgeous beaches, and many more things. Bali is one of the most beautiful islands and most visited destination in the world. Balinese culture was strongly influenced by Indian, Chinese, and particularly Hindu culture and was also called as the land of gods. Beyond stunning beaches and magical temples, Bali has virtually very kind of natural beauty, glorious mountains areas with lush greenery, scenic lakes, gorgeous waterfalls, iconic rice fields, flower gardens, gushing sacred rivers, and secret crayons all make up the island's landscape. Number 2. Jakarta. Jakarta, Indonesia's massive capital, sits on the northwest coast of the island of Java. A historic mix of cultures, Javanese, Malay, Chinese, Arab Indian, and European, has influenced its architecture, language, and cuisine. The old town Kota Tua is home to Dutch colonial buildings, Gladok, and the port of Sonda, Kelpena, where traditional wooden schooners dock. Economically, Jakarta plays several roles. It can be identified first as the national capital and the central place of control for the national economy, then as the administrative center in its own right and as a significant industrial hub. In addition to its location as a port makes it an important center for trade, one of the world's most popular cities. Being a city that has always been dreamed of by migrants and the outside of the city, it's no wonder why many people come to this city and try their luck. Jakarta is also known for some of the best cities nightlife in Asia, and there is a great party atmosphere here. As most of the tourists head to other islands and cities throughout Indonesia, there are hardly any foreigners, and new Jakartas are very friendly and welcoming. Number 3, Surabaya. Surabaya is a port city on the Indonesian island of Java, a vibrant, sprawling metropolis. It mixes modern skyscrapers with canals and buildings. From its Dutch colonial past, it has a thriving Chinatown and has an Arab quarter whose ample mosaic dates back to the 15th century. Surabaya also has good air links to the places within and outside Indonesia, so it's worth visiting. There is much of interest in the desert polluted old town, in the crumbling Dutch buildings, and in the port city you might see if you have taken a Pelni ship. Some seasonably okay hotels, malls, and Surabaya, the second largest city in Indonesia, is the capital of East Java. The meaning of Surabaya is combination of Sura meaning shark and Baya meaning crocodile. There are almost about 3 million people living in Surabaya and they speak a dialect of Japanese and Surabaya. Number 4, Medan. Medan is the capital of Indonesia's North Sumatra province. The huge Medan Palace and octagonal Great Mosque of Medan dominate the city center, combining Islamic and European styles. Just north in Jalan Seat, Panjang Street, famed for its ethnic food stalls and Phi Mansion. A museum is the former Chinese merchant's home. Southwest is the striking Indo-Mughal Catholic Church of Graha Maria Annai Velankini. For travelers, Medan is famous as the entry point to North Sumatra. Aside from serving as a gateway to the region, the city also functions as a commercial and economic hub. This Indonesian city attracts not only shoppers but also the business professionals and entrepreneurs. Number 5, Makassar. Makassar, also known as Ujung Padang, is a port city on eastern Indonesia's Sulawesi Island. Inland, its 17th century Dutch colonial port, Rotterdam, is the Museum Negri La Glio, housing local exhibits. A promenade along Glusri Resorts beach is known for its beaches, traditional Pinsi sailing ships back to the harbour, the Lupin Palace. Offshore snorkeling is possible on the coral reefs of Solomon Island. Makassar, the capital of South Sulawesi, has been a trading center since the beginning of the 16th century. As one of the busiest business cities in Indonesia, Makassar gets plenty of visitors. Though it is overlooked as a tourism destination, there is a plenty of things to do in Makassar. Makassar is also known for its peacock, which is smaller than the beak in the island of Java. In addition to peacock and Pete Petit, the city has a government bus run on business cities and taxis. The city of Makassar, its outland districts, and the South Sulawesi province served as the 1000-year international airport.